I want to show this short video of me fixing my sprinkler that was stuck in the up position for a long time. I was concerned that I would run over it with my car because it was right at the front part of my garage. So instead of digging the whole thing out, because I knew it was connected with PVC pipes and that kind of thing, and I didn't want to pay somebody $100 something just to come out and look at it, I got my screwdriver, started gently digging around it, and it fell back down into the ground. You can see me pushing it back in there. Then I figured out that with water, it pushes it up, and when the water is no longer coming out, it just automatically suctions back down. So what ended up happening was the sprinkler sunk into the ground just from soft dirt and being oversaturated. So that fixed it where it made it go down, but I ended up putting some rocks around it and trying not to get the dirt to collapse back around it. And that fixed it temporarily.